If you plan to leave your home for a few days or more, we recommend taking the following steps, regardless of the temperature during your absence. First, turn off your main water supply. Then open all faucets and flush all toilets. Put pink or RV antifreeze in drain traps, toilet bowls, showers and tubs, and your dishwasher. Use 1 cup for sinks and 2 cups for your dishwasher, showers, tubs, and toilet bowls and tanks. This will prevent the unpleasant smell associated with sewer gas from entering the home, as well as prevent frozen pipes in case of cold weather. If you have an electric water heater, go to your electrical panel and turn off the breaker for it. We recommend taping this off as a reminder not to turn it on. If you have a gas water heater, turn the valve to the pilot position. Consider setting your thermostat to an energy-efficient level. Regardless of temperature, you don't want to overpay for air conditioning or heating while you are away. If you are leaving for an extended period of time, remove food and ice from your refrigerator and unplug it. This will save you an average of $17 a month on your utility bill. Finally, give your home the appearance that someone is still there by using timed outlets to turn lights on and off. And consider having a neighbor pick up any mail and deliveries, park in your driveway, and walk through the home once a week. If you have any questions about this process, call Home Spectors at 336-382-7269.